Welcome back to the WOYOU channel. It's been a long time since we last brought you a home use miner with such high daily earnings. Today new arrival, the XT Box from Goldshell. Let's unbox the XT Box. The package contents for the XT Box still follow the minimalist style of the box series. One instruction manual, the main unit of the miner, a Wi-Fi antenna. That's all there is. Power supply needs to be purchased separately. Only consumes about 400 watts. But it has a hash rate of 580 gigahashes. It's suitable for mining XTM tokens. Its algorithm is SHA-3X. It is used for mining XTM, also known as Tari tokens. Let's check the net weight of the machine. It's about 2.37 kilograms. With the shipping packaging, it's about 2.78 kilograms. Actually, the outer packaging of the box series is never particularly heavy, so no need to worry about shipping issues or about shipping costs. Its width is only 9 centimeters. Its length is about 15 centimeters. Let's look at its height. Less than 20 centimeters. A very compact machine. Looking at it, similar to the Mini Doge 3, the power input consists of two 6-pin ports and Ethernet port. It has the additional option of Wi-Fi. So for network connection, you can choose either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. In general, there is a TF card slot for firmware updates, a reset button, IP finder port, system and indicator lights. Its appearance is directly modeled after the Mini Doge 3 Plus Wi-Fi version. I think they are exactly the same thing. Only the hashing chips inside have been changed. So now let's proceed directly with a hands-on test, using this type of 6-pin power supply. After securely connecting the ports, we connect the Ethernet cable. If you want to use Wi-Fi, you need to connect this Wi-Fi antenna as well. Same as the previous box series. It has a boot up self-test process when powered on. Now we just wait for it to start up. It has now been running for about 12 minutes. The hash rate has around 580 gigahashes. The power consumption is about 385 watts. Let's check its temperature and noise levels. The current room temperature is about 27 degrees Celsius. The temperature at the exhaust vent is about 41 degrees. Its noise level is about 47.3 decibels. This noise level is practically non-existent. It's possible that this noise comes more from the power supply unit. This machine itself produces almost no noise, so it's very suitable for home use. Moreover, its power consumption is very low. Perfectly fine for home use, such as low power consumption and high earnings. Hasn't been seen on the market for a very long time, at least in the past 6 months. A machine with such high earnings was probably the WOYOU series machines. Let's go to the DDEX Pool website. Find the XTM. This is a machine officially rated at 580 gigahashes per second. So, based on the time of recording this video, its earnings are about $54. It seems the previous machine with similar power consumption and daily earnings, in my memory, was probably from the era of the AE Box or AE0. So, this machine is quite anticipated by our audience. If you are interested, check out our WOYOU official website. We still have a small amount of stock available for delivery. Let's summarize this machine. It achieves the official specification of 580 gigahashes per second. The power consumption is also around the officially claimed 400 watts. If you are interested in it, You can quickly visit our WOYOU official website or join our Telegram group to get the latest information and daily updated discounted miner prices. See you in the next time.